Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Chateauguay local and long-distance movers near me. A cheap Chateauguay moving company can make it so much easier to handle a local or long-distance move. 3 Movers is not only an affordable option, but also a moving team you can trust. We offer dependable services for residential and commercial moves. Our team has helped many people move across the country or just down the street. You'll get access to all of the following with our long-distance moving services: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Our team of long-distance movers can make your relocation so much easier. Whether you need to move your family, your business, or both, we can help make it happen faster and so much easier for you. Are you trying to find a Canada moving company for your local move? With the right professional movers for your local move, you won't have to do all the hard work. Good movers will take over the heavy lifting to save you from injury or damaged items. 3 Movers will provide you with plenty of options for your local move. We can do the packing for you, if you prefer, or just take on the heavy lifting. Either way, our team will help save you time and energy on any move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chateauguay moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.